Good morning, everyone. As we know, new habits do have a powerful impact on our lives, and here are a few examples of it. When you want to learn new things, you definitely need to adapt new habits. Like when you wanted to learn dance, your body should be flexible enough to learn a new thing. That is, you should have some other habits like exercising regularly. And when you want to learn a new course, there are prerequisites for every course. Why is that prerequisites given? Because these requisites are required for you to learn that course, not just a course. When you want to learn anything new in your life, you need to have some prerequisites. Those prerequisites are the so-called habits. When For example, a person that I've listened right now, she wanted to excel in everything throughout her life. But once she has faced the failure, she has learned that she need to adapt new things in order to overcome those failures. Only then she can achieve that success through it. And hence we can say new things and new habits will affect your life in a thorough way. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saru Siddhartha, and now I'm talking about the power of habits. And when I'm learning something, I have to look for what are the basics we need to learn before it, or else we need we need to catch up the basics of something. And before that, and I started learning a framework with the CLI. And with CLI, I don't know what to use and I don't know what is JSON, what is a package, and what is a log JSON format, and I don't know anything. But I started working on, and during the deployment, I have so many problems.
Good morning, who is
And that
watching there? I
and
am
that
Parul Mansa from CSE-C of Learning Institute of
and that
Engineering
will
and
completely give me
Technology.
errors. I have tried
So
AWS, Google
let's have
Cloud,
a small talk on what my
Verify,
interpretation
and
of
all.
making.
And, and after all that, and I keep failing on deploying that to the website. And after that, I realized I'm taking some wrong steps. And later, I have started using CDN, which is a content delivery network, and I used to habituate to it. While using any framework, I will just use CDN because we need to consider that we are not that much professionals to use it, and we need to habituate with the basics before we go to the advanced topics. And after that, I'm keep using CDN, and after using CDN, without any build log errors, it can be deployed successfully and all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Reshma Tejashwani Pathapati. So I am here to put forward my opinion regarding the epistemology of loss and failure in our life and also the power of habits. So we have witnessed many people overcoming the failures, and we have seen many people who are depressed and also committed many mistakes by having failures. So our life should be balanced and our life is in our hands. We should drive in such a way that we do not go into the wrong track. Also, the power of habits. Habits play a major role in our life. We have to inculcate some positive and good habits to be in the good track. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sai Gautam. I want to tell you something about me. I at first I like coding very much. I used to do programming very much. That's why I learned so many different kinds of programming languages, and I tried to solve something like HackerRank and LeetCode and some other websites. When I was confident in when I was confident in my programming skills, I went to certify my programming skills in lead code. Then I faced my first failure in program. I was not selected for the lead code program. That's why I have to took that failure as my teacher, and I created a new hobby that I have to do a certain amount of programs in a single day. And I practiced every day, and I again went to my certificate, second certification, and I have gained my certificate. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine. Today I am here to put some views on the power of habit. Everyone person has their own habits on their life, but someone are successful in their life. In their habits, you have to use commonly their word. You have to use some words in daily language. It can does not improve your skills, but you have to improve. You have to learn new things. You have to learn new things, uh, and also the habit is everyone person has their own habitat. uh, it can applicable in their life, but we have to put on some words. You have to improve your skills. You have to practice in your life. It will be helpful to move step on for to move step on to forward in your life. And also this habit is when you the power of habit is to helpful to your life, to communicate, to improve your skills. Thank you.
Good, good morning. I am Saikar. Now I'm talking some thoughts to and share thoughts about habits. It is more helpful to focus on our goals, and it's help to avoid uh, whatever whatever to whatever the disturbances to follow in your way of goals. These habits to helpful uh, to make new things to develop, and in my life to develop in new programming languages and skills to make some habits to develop these things, and it was more helpful to make it good habits. Thank you.
Today, about the problem habits. The habits in our daily life and culture, we have to habitat in some habits to doing the new life, and then we have habits. We must have it to encourage our life be very happy and be successful to have new habits, and one and the people don't know they don't know and some bad habits, but now we have to increase our good habits, and that
Hello everyone, I am Sir. I would like to give a small thing about habits and failures. How to avoid failures by following habits. In my opinion, habit is not a good thing because we have to concentrate on what you have to learn and what you have to avoid the failures. So, from in my life, I realized one thing. Yesterday, my ma'am said, asked me some questions on different uh, subjects, but anyone should write a statue. I realized that how to prepare an interview. So for that, I'm searching in Google and that how to prepare for an interview and how to crack the interview. So I practiced, and from that day, I practiced more on how to crack interview. So I've been solving so many problems from yesterday. I'm trying to solve some another problems which are related to my interview. So for that, I can crack easily for the future. So thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bharat. I am from CSE. successful are people are those with successful ideas and habits. Habits are generally things that is hard to uh, apply in our daily lives, but once we are with it, it is better and it will lead to better things in our life. Habits may change our life perspective. Um, any habit that we are doing it daily, then it will show some effect in our life, and then it leads to some success. Habits are generally something we have to acquire. When we start in beginning, it is hard to happen, but when it times goes, it will be good and very easy to happen. So, uh, learn new habits and be successful. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. When I want to say about how new habits will affect our life, I would definitely be considering I was a nerd from my childhood. That is, I want to be perfect in everything, in my studies or in curriculum, in everything. And I was popularly known for being in different things and engaging in different circles. But when I accomplished failure for the first time, then I have realized the habits that I have are really old-fashioned. That is, I do have some habits, but I do continue those habits so on, which makes me not perfect in some new things. In order to learn new things, we need to learn new habits. Just like if we want to make a new recipe, we can make a plain cake with the ingredients that we have. But if we wanted to make a chocolate cake, we definitely need new ingredients. That is a chocolate in it. And the chocolate in our life is new habits. Making new habits will definitely help you to enhance your skills, and not just enhance your skills, it will also improve your capability and your ability to adapt yourself in the environment. When I wanted to make new habits, the first thing I should do is to list out what are the habits that I need, what are the things which I have to adapt in order to learn new things. Firstly, if I want to learn a new course, I list out what are the habits that I have to adopt to learn the new course. When While listing out my the things that I list out should be reasonable. That is, if I want to complete a 40 hours course in a 1 week, I cannot be doing 10 hours a day because that is not a reasonable thing. But having new habits, that is making a reasonable habit, that is sorting out time slots like 4 hours, 4 hours in the morning section, 4 hours in the afternoon section. Making habits like that in a reasonable way will make that happen. That is to virtually make that happen. And also making new habits. We have listened to a story of a girl where she is perfect throughout her school life. She is a nerd in all subjects, but once she got into her medical studies, she faced her first failure, and she cannot accept her first failure as it is the first time she has faced the failure. And at that scenario, she need to adopt new habits. While adopting new habits and by including those habits within themselves, made her successful within her career. Now, when I speak about how to include new habits in your life and how to adapt them into your lives, I would definitely say there are few rules to that. First rule is to list out the habits that you wanted to learn. Second rule is to follow that. If you want anything to be habit, the first thing you need is practice. When you practice more and more, then you will be able to adopt things. You will be able to learn new things. Second thing is making the habit regular. Do not have procrastination to your habits. That will make you to learn new things. In that way, habits can help you to learn new things and be perfect within yourself.